Here are the new, what are they, Anglo arms bolts. Told you I'd do an update of the Crossbow. My mate's back from Thailand, finally. There's safety on it. You dickhead.
Just trying to remember how to use it.
And then, if I just do this way a bit. You aim for the top bail while you're doing it so close. I meaning to lose it. Just stand back a bit. Like back by the JCB. Oh, definitely. There we go. There we go. Oh, those muscles.
Fuck off. I'll shoot you with this.
Exposed.
So you'll go eat it.
Where is it? Oh, record me.
Here we go. Darren out of fucking Walking Dead here. One-handed.
Bad dot. Didn't lose it in the green yet. Let's walk up to the results. I'm gonna walk up with the camera, you dickhead.
Really? Why never fucking use that?
Your video has almost 5,000 views.
I know. On my iPhone.
Oh shit.
There's only 3.
Look how deep that
Oh
one
my
went.
fucking god, that one went quite fucking deep. There's only 4 here, even though we had 5. Shit. Well,
That is a slight problem.
bit of a predicament. Fucking hell, these are hard to pull out. If your dad asks, we only had 4.
But they're fucking £3 a set. You can get that off.
With the camera.
There you are.
Whoa,
How's the sails on it?
Before.
It didn't go in the green, did it? Oh shit. Well, some gal's gonna have a metally diet. It's not in this shit, is it?
Or you'll find it when you're doing the bedding.
Wait.
You get chopped up.
Where? No, we heard it all hit the bales, didn't we?
Everyone hit the bales, that's why.